It's just like a DStv in my pocket.
So you can stream on your phone?
Yeah. What's happening, beautiful people? Kuhle Adams. We are on the ground here at Randburg Square to find out what people are watching on DStv and also show them how quick and easy it is to access your favorite shows. No dish, no decoder, just pure entertainment with DStv Stream. Let's go. What's your favorite show on DStv right now?
My Brother's Keepers.
My Brother's Keeper?
Yeah.
It's Ghana's team.
It's Ghana's
It's a drama.
What are you currently watching on DStv?
I'm a big fan of Scandal right now. Yes, I'm a big fan of Scandal.
Date my family, and sometimes I just watch MTV Base and play music.
100%.
Yeah.
This is my kind of girl. Why?
I love Donga's character. You know, he's crazy, Tapa. Not okay in the head type of character.
Unjani uDonga xa ethetha nabantu?
Like, he has anxiety. I think it's anxiety.
And who is your favorite character?
It definitely has to be Mdala.
Can you imitate how he acts?
Mzansi. I can't.
You can't?
Nah, but
Yes. Would you enter Date My Family?
Yes, sure.
Really?
Yes, but for the food. Yes, I wouldn't mind.
What do you think is the best feature with DStv Stream?
I have
Too many, ne?
Yeah.
Can I tell you my favorite, ne?
Okay.
It's the fact that you can stream anywhere at any time.
Okay.
Bona xa ubukele i-live show and then you miss mhlawumbe uDonga xa esithi ndiphethwe nawe kuthiwa anxiety.
Yeah.
You can pause and rewind.
All right.
Right?
That's good.
And then I can also download on the app. I can watch like when I'm also offline.
DStv Stream app, DStv app that you download from the App Store.
Okay.
And you can watch DStv content on your phone.
So you can stream on your phone?
Yes.
Oh, okay, makes sense. Even
anywhere,
better.
anytime. And you can watch live television on there.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you.
Okay, awesome.
It's just like a DStv in my pocket. Yes.
100%.
Yes.
Well, there you have it, Mzansi. DStv Stream brings you all the drama without the drama. Get access to your favorite shows anytime, anywhere by simply signing up on dstv.com or downloading DStv Stream from your app store. Until next time, happy streaming.